Hey everyone, and welcome to Psych2Go. Did you know that nearly 1 in 5 adults in the US experience mental illness each year? That's a staggering number. In this video, we're going to delve into the world of mental health and explore 10 common mental illnesses. From depression and anxiety to bipolar disorder and schizophrenia, we'll break down their symptoms, potential causes, and available treatment options. So buckle up and let's embark on this journey of discovery together.
Living with a mental illness can be incredibly challenging, impacting every aspect of a person's life. Imagine waking up every morning feeling like a heavy weight is pressing down on you, or constantly battling intrusive thoughts. For many, mental illness isn't just an internal struggle. It's a battle against societal perceptions and stigma. They may face discrimination in their personal and professional lives, encountering prejudice and judgment. This stigma can prevent individuals from seeking the help they desperately need. Long wait times, high costs, and a shortage of mental health professionals create significant barriers to care. By fostering empathy, challenging stigma, and advocating for increased access to mental health services, we can create a more supportive environment.
Let's talk about depression, a mental health condition that goes far beyond simply feeling sad or down. It's a complex disorder that affects millions of people worldwide, characterized by persistent feelings of sadness, hopelessness, and a loss of interest in activities once enjoyed. Depression can manifest in various ways, affecting a person's mood, thoughts, behavior, and even physical health. From changes in sleep and appetite to difficulty concentrating and feelings of worthlessness, the symptoms of depression can be debilitating. While the exact causes of depression are multifaceted, a combination of genetic, biological, environmental, and psychological factors is believed to play a role. The good news is that depression is treatable and various options are available, including therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes. Finding the right treatment plan is essential for recovery. Moving on to anxiety disorders, which affect millions of people worldwide. Anxiety is a normal human emotion, a natural response to stress or danger. But when anxiety becomes excessive, persistent, and overwhelming, it crosses the line into an anxiety disorder. Imagine feeling like you're constantly on edge, your heart racing, your mind flooded with worries. There are different types of anxiety disorders, each with its own set of symptoms. Generalized anxiety disorder involves excessive worry about everyday things, while social anxiety disorder causes intense fear of social situations. Panic disorder is characterized by sudden episodes of intense fear, known as panic attacks. Treatment for anxiety disorders often involves a combination of therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes. Chapter 4: Bipolar Disorder. Riding the emotional roller coaster. Bipolar disorder, formerly known as manic depression, is a mental health condition characterized by extreme shifts in mood, energy, and activity levels. It's like riding an emotional roller coaster, with dramatic highs and lows that can be difficult to manage. Imagine experiencing periods of intense energy and euphoria, known as manic episodes, followed by periods of deep sadness and despair, known as depressive episodes. These mood swings can be unpredictable and disruptive, affecting a person's relationships, work, and overall quality of life. The exact causes of bipolar disorder are unknown, but a combination of genetic, biological, and environmental factors is thought to play a role. Treatment for bipolar disorder typically involves a combination of medication, therapy, and lifestyle changes. It's about finding ways to stabilize mood swings and manage symptoms. Chapter 5: Schizophrenia, a journey through altered realities. Schizophrenia is a chronic mental disorder affecting thoughts, feelings, and behavior. It involves altered perceptions, hallucinations, and delusions. Treatment includes medication, therapy, and support services. Chapter 6: Eating disorders. A complex relationship with food and body image. Eating disorders are serious mental illnesses involving persistent disturbances in eating behaviors and body image. They can have severe consequences for both physical and mental health. Treatment involves medical care, nutritional counseling, therapy, and support groups. Chapter 7. Obsessive-compulsive disorder, or OCD, is a mental health condition characterized by intrusive thoughts, images or impulses, known as obsessions, and repetitive behaviors or mental acts, known as compulsions. Imagine being bombarded by unwanted thoughts, images or urges that cause intense anxiety and distress. These obsessions are often irrational and distressing, but individuals with OCD feel compelled to engage in compulsions to neutralize the anxiety. Compulsions can be overt, such as excessive hand-washing, checking or cleaning, or covert, such as counting or repeating words silently. OCD can significantly interfere with daily life, affecting relationships, work, and overall well-being. Treatment for OCD typically involves a combination of therapy, medication, and lifestyle changes. Chapter 8. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD. The enduring impact of trauma. Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, is a mental health condition that can develop after experiencing or witnessing a traumatic event. Imagine feeling like you're constantly on edge, reliving the traumatic event through flashbacks or nightmares, and avoiding anything that reminds you of the trauma. Symptoms of PTSD can include intrusive memories, nightmares, flashbacks, emotional numbness, difficulty sleeping, irritability, and hypervigilance. PTSD can significantly interfere with daily life, affecting relationships, work, and overall well-being. It can also lead to other mental health concerns, such as depression, anxiety, and substance abuse. Treatment for PTSD typically involves a combination of therapy, medication, and support groups. Trauma-focused therapies, such as eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, EMDR, and trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy, TFCBT, have been found to be effective in treating PTSD. Chapter 9. Borderline Personality Disorder, BPD. Navigating intense emotions and relationships. Borderline Personality Disorder, or BPD, is a mental health condition characterized by instability in moods, relationships, self-image, and behavior. It's like riding an emotional roller coaster, with intense highs and lows that can be difficult to manage. Individuals with BPD often struggle with a deep fear of abandonment, engaging in frantic efforts to avoid real or imagined separation. They may also engage in impulsive behaviors, such as substance abuse, self-harm, or reckless spending. BPD can significantly interfere with daily life, affecting relationships, work, and overall well-being. Treatment for BPD typically involves a combination of therapy, medication, and support groups. Dialectical behavior therapy, or DBT, has been found to be particularly effective in treating BPD, teaching skills to manage emotions, tolerate distress, and improve relationships. Chapter 10. Attention Deficit/Hyperactivity Disorder, ADHD, Beyond Restlessness and Inattention. Attention Deficit/Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD, is a neurodevelopmental disorder that affects attention, impulsivity, and hyperactivity. It's not just about being easily distracted or fidgety, it's a complex condition that can impact various aspects of life. Individuals with ADHD may have difficulty paying attention to details, following instructions, organizing tasks, and completing work on time. They may also act impulsively, interrupt conversations, and have difficulty waiting their turn. ADHD can significantly interfere with school, work, relationships, and overall well-being. Treatment for ADHD typically involves a combination of medication, therapy, and educational support. Stimulant medications, such as Adderall and Ritalin, can help improve attention and focus.
I remember when a close friend of mine confided in me about their struggles with anxiety. They described feeling like a prisoner in their own mind, trapped by relentless worry and fear. Throughout this video, we've explored 10 common mental illnesses, shedding light on their complexities, challenges, and available treatment options. Remember, mental health is just as important as physical health, and seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Feel free to share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below, and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be discussing mental health resources and support systems.